Get your tickets, Full RPM fans, because I'm giving away this 2024 BMW S1000RR plus €5,000 to one lucky winner. So for your opportunity to win it, go to fullrpmeurope.squarespace.com, donate, or buy the merch, and you automatically enter to winner. This bike is equipped with M Endurance wheels, quick shifter up and down, a Kropovich exhaust, cruise control, heated grips, wheelie control, stoppie control, traction control, and much, much more. Hurry while there's tickets still available.
Full RPM here, guys, back with another legendary video. Or should I say, as we proceed to give you what you need. Full RPM, baby, and I'm back with another YouTube video. Hey, I thought you was waving at me, girl. Don't play with me like that. I thought you was trying to be cheeky. Don't let them fool you. I want to say thank you to all of the people across the world. Germany, Europe, US, Australia, the Caribbean, Mexico, Peru, Chile, Uruguay. Shout out all of the N's who check in with me. Brazil. See you, keep baby. I love that picture up there, man. Something about it. Something about it. Gets me every time. Gets my attention every time. Don't run. Don't hurry up. Don't run too fast. Ain't nobody going yet, baby. You can cross. We can cross. OGs. I see with the leopard print. With the leopard. Not the leopard, the leopard. Not the leopard. All right. I see you, brother. All right. I think I met those guys before. Those are the same two dudes. I don't know. I think I met them before. A few months back. I think I met them a few months ago. All right. Side street mechanic, or they call it shade tree mechanic. You know, that's when you put the car up under the shade tree. Get a little shade, keep that sun off you, and work on the car. All right. Long distance shout out. Long distance shout out. Long distance shout out. Long distance shout. You know the vibes. Is it me, or is it starting to drizzle a little bit? Can't be out here when it's getting me wet. Wet. Speaking of wet, ladies, don't get too wet. Not too wet. At this thing blocked off. Hopefully it's still open. Shout out to all of the fallen soldiers. Shout out to the troops here in Germany. Representing, holding the country down. Showing their sincerity and solidarity. Thank you, YouTube, for playing my music. Not my music, playing my moto vlogs. Shout out to YouTube. Shout out to all of the people who got YouTube Premium. I see you over there, brother. Sneaky Pete. Nikki, come check me, see daily mess you want. I see you guys. Peekaboo. Put out some new flowers, huh? Those wasn't there before, I don't think. Hey, baby. I see you, baby. Time to turn up the vibe, change the music. Switch another selection. Okay. Back on late.
Only Rasta can liberate the people.
I see you, boys. I see you, baby. Pointing me out. All right, all right, all right. All right, all right. All right. Oh my. Oh. Don't let them fool you. I see you over here peeking, baby.